The moment you decide to be a surgeon. The same moment you dream to be the best. The one everyone looks for. The perfectionist performer, who creates history with every surgery. But the question is, how do you become the best? Your question starts making you uncomfortable. You are not here to be mediocre. You refuse to settle for anything less. You keep searching for help. The big question is, from where do you learn? How do you fulfill your dream to be the best? How to be a performer. How to become a perfectionist. How to become the best. Who will help me? What to do? I need help. From where do I learn? How do I fulfill my dreams? Your questions deserves answers. What if leading faculties come to train you with the best clinical and surgical skills? On one hand, holding your hands, teaching you how to diagnose. Teaching you how to operate even without touching. Teaching you tying strong knots.